Namaskar. Today I am going to share 3 powerful hair care recipes using coffee that will naturally cover up gray hair. These are super easy to make and use. They do not contain any chemicals and are completely safe for your hair and scalp. But before we begin, let's understand why coffee is so great for gray hair. Coffee has several advantages for your hair and scalp. The dark pigments in coffee act as a natural dye, giving your hair a rich brown color that can help to camouflage gray strands. Caffeine present in coffee stimulates hair growth by nourishing the hair follicles. It also has antioxidants that protect the scalp from oxidative damage. Now let's see the 3 recipes. First, pure coffee rinse. This is the simplest method to use coffee for gray hair. Take 1/2 cup of strong coffee, preferably espresso, brew it and let it cool down. After your shampoo, use this coffee as a final rinse. Massage it into your scalp and leave it in for 1 hour. Use a mild shampoo to wash it out. You may use a conditioner if your hair is dry. This rinse can be done once a week for best results. Second recipe, coffee, egg yolk, and coconut oil mask. This mask deeply conditions your hair while providing a rich brown tint. Mix 1/4 cup of strong coffee with 1 tablespoon of egg yolk and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Apply this mixture to your hair and scalp. Leave it in for 45 to 60 minutes and wash it out with a mild shampoo and conditioner. Use this mask once in a fortnight for natural gray coverage. Third, coffee, soapberry, and grapefruit peel rinse. This rinse is excellent for adding shine to your hair while providing some natural highlights. It also helps in balancing the scalp pH and promotes hair growth. Mix 1/4 cup of strong coffee with 2 crushed soapberries and the dried peel of 1 grapefruit. Boil all these ingredients together for 10 minutes. Strain the mixture and let it cool down. Now use this rinse after your shampoo. Massage it into your scalp and leave it in for 20 minutes. Wash it out with a mild shampoo and finish it with a moisturizing conditioner. Use this rinse once a week for natural gray coverage. Now let's see what all you need to keep in mind for best results. Be consistent with your coffee hair care routine to see natural results. Do a patch test before using any of these recipes to check for allergies. Use pure coffee without additives or preservatives for all the recipes. Follow a holistic hair care routine that includes a healthy diet, regular exercise, and stress management to improve hair growth and reduce graying. I hope you find these recipes helpful. Let me know your feedback and queries in the comments below. For more such useful content, subscribe to my channel.